Yo people, I'm back with another week of trading. I'm feeling good, the sun's out, it's hot, and my take profit just hit on this trade for like 6R. So yeah man, it's a good day. And it's Monday. Imagine this is the start of the week, 6R on a Monday. The trade I took today early in the morning. I was plotting on this. I'm gonna show you lot the recap and everything. I'll probably do that in a separate video. I'll show you lot the recap. But it was a 6R trade on USDCAD, hit TP, personal account, nice. Funded challenge, nice. I passed that as well. So yeah man, overall it's all good. I'm gonna do the recap on that one. I'll catch you lot up on the next clip. Right people, with the challenge I'm doing, I passed obviously the challenge which I told you lot in the last clip. I've now received the verification DOs on, and today is the 8th of April, so I'm gonna see how quick I can pass this and then finally be back funded. I've already done a lot of things today. It's hard to pick up the camera and just start like vlogging whatever you're doing, because like you gotta pick up and do it as you're doing it, or just remember, oh, I'm doing something new, let me pick up the camera to vlog this kind of thing. Do you know what I'm saying? It's kind of weird, but yeah, I've already done gym. I ain't vlogged that part, but yeah, I think I'm gonna more focus it to stuff in and around trading. I don't know, man. We'll see. It's a vlog at the end of the day, innit? So maybe I'll involve other shit as well, like work and stuff. But yeah, man, I ain't got nothing else to say, so I'll catch you lot on the next one. Yo, people, another day, and I just wanted to show you this trade setup that I'm looking at. It's Euro JPY. I'm not gonna lie, if it plays out and if it bangs, the R on this is serious. So I'll go over to my computer to show you lot like the proper setup, but here's it quickly just on my phone because I'm about to go out. I'm waiting for either a pullback into here for a retest and rejection to show it all the way down to this blue line here, or if price is setting this level of support, which it is doing here, then I'll wait for the break and retest of that for the short again to this blue line. I'll tell you why I'm aiming for that blue line when I do my proper analysis and that on the recap. So yeah, that's just a quick version. Oh, you lot won't believe what happened, Rev. I've recorded a whole video on my phone and then I turned my phone around to see, didn't even fucking record, Rev. It just said phone storage gone. Oh! So yeah, jolting. But let me do this again. Showing you lot my trim, got a smooth, fresh cut. You know what I'm saying? Back in the game. But yeah, what was on my mind and what I wanted to tell you lot is, see that Euro JPY setup that I had, it still hasn't occurred. And it led me to thinking, when you're a full-time trader, because obviously I'm aspiring to be a full-time trader, I don't even have work today, so this is a kind of little foreshadow of how life will be when I'm full-time trading, innit? So I've got some errands to run later on, or even now, after I've got my trim. And one thing that's important when you're a full-time trader, I feel, is you can't be behind the charts 24/7. And I say that because when you're behind the chart 24/7 and you don't have a setup, you're more likely to force things. Do you know what I'm saying? You're more likely to force a setup that's not there. Just force things in total. So what I like to do and what I do anyway, and what I do now is I have my watch list. Okay, I know what setups I'm looking at. Okay. And then I mark it different colours for which one is more hot. So the red is the more hot and then the blue is just, I'm watching it to see it. And then I want to see it do its break and retest. And then I set my alerts, price alerts. So price will tap a level, it tells me, okay, price tap the level. So I can either look on my phone and see, okay, it's tapped the level. I can see if I can get an entry now. Or if I'm on my computer, I'll see, okay, it's tapped this level. So I'm not always on my screen 24/7. Do you know what I'm saying? And I feel like when you are, that's when you force things. You start to force things. And forcing things, you're gonna end up taking bad trades, and it kind of goes against your data. Do you know what I'm saying? When you're collecting data, you want to be collecting true data, what I'll call true data, which will be trades that you should be entering, where they're adhering to your rules, and you should be entering. The shit data and false data is data of
trades that you take when you're forcing trades, do you know what I'm saying? And that you know you shouldn't be taking, but because you're on the chart 24/7, you want it to happen so fast, like you want to be out of your job so fast, you just start forcing things. And trust me, I've been there. But nah, man, you gotta take your time. And more time you're waiting, I can't lie, with this trading thing, more time you're waiting for the setup to happen. You're more out of a trade than you're in a trade, do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, just be patient with things, man. This is, like I said, I'm talking to you guys, I'm always talking to myself as well, fam. Like, you gotta be patient with things, fam. Just wait for the setup to occur, set your levels, your alerts, and then, yeah, man, when the trade comes, it comes, innit? And then you can just pattern that. Like, right now, I'm waiting for this Euro JPY trade, like I said, and I know if it bangs, it's gonna be a mad trade still. The R is gonna be ridiculous on this one. But yeah, man, that's it from me. I'm about to run some errands, need to drive some places now. But yeah, man, I'll catch you lot on the next one.
Yo, people, new day, new day. So far this week, I've only literally taken 2 trades. I mean, I'm not saying 2 trades, 1 trade, and that trade was on Monday, which hit for the 6R, which made me pass my challenge and everything, and obviously, yeah. So today's Thursday, and I'm still waiting. So just like what I said yesterday, more time you're just waiting, bro. Trading is a waiting game. But having said that, I've got this set up that potentially could be happening today on USDCAD, and I'm gonna show you that on my computer now. Alright, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. So this is the setup I'm watching for today. Let me start off on a higher time frame so you can see my thinking. So on the weekly, we're bearish, been bearish on this for a few weeks now. We obviously hit this resistance, create some consolidation, and then we've broken structure, pulled back into that level, retested it, and then we started pushing away. So I'm looking for price, and I'm anticipating price to continue pushing down, potentially long-term downside targets at this weekly level support. So that's all I need from the weekly. I'm bearish on this, innit? That's what's telling me I'm bearish. It was over at the daily now, and then you can see we've had some consolidation at this level, had a double top, we've broken that level, tapped this level of support, come back, retested this level. Now we've had this nice daily close and daily rejection back below this level of support, and that's what's making me think price is going to be bearish, because we've got the close below this level. We obviously retested, got the close back below this level. So now I'm looking for shorts, and I'm going to be aiming for this next level of support. We've got like 2 minor levels of support here. If you look to the left, let's say like here and here, but I just feel like this is the big level of support, so that's why I want to aim for this rather than aim for like a minor level here or here. So yeah, that's literally my thinking. I'm looking to get into short on that. If we head over to the 4-hour now, see we've got a little minor level here. We obviously know this is the big level here. I like seeing price interact with a level before I use it as a level of support resistance. I like to see it in price interact with a level recent. So as you can see, we've got this tap here. We had a double top first, we had a drop, then we've got a tap of this support, which showed price interacting with it, where price bounced up with that bullish candle. We've then got the break below the level, and now we're obviously retesting it with this candle here. So if you can close like this, we literally close in the next 30 seconds. If you can close like that, on the 4-hour, I'm going to look for a 1-hour rejection for the next 1 hour, and then I'm looking to short it, and I'm targeting for down here. So yeah, we'll wait and see how this develops. Yo people, I'm finally back in the gaff. I'm mad tired now, man. I have to order some food as well. I meant to shoot some B-roll to make my videos a bit more like, you know, good and entertaining type of thing, but I was on a train and shit, I just forgot, I can't lie. Then when I did remember, I was just like, oh, I can't be arsed. So apologies if the video ain't TT quality in it, but I'm trying, man, I'm trying. But yeah, to talk about that trade setup that I was talking to you guys about in the last clip, it actually has patterned, or it patterned out. I did get entry, and if we look now, here is the entry. Got in the break and retest, used USDCAD, which I was telling you guys about, and now, oh, that's the personal account, let me not show that.
Now, if this trade bangs on the first trade, boy, you can hit pass verification of one trade. So yeah, we'll see if this bangs, innit? All it's got to do is hit this TP. So yeah, I'll update you guys whether that happens or not. But yeah, we move now. Yo people, okay, so another update. I didn't even update you guys on the trade. I've taken it off now, but anyway, that trade I was showing you guys, so I showed you from the start to the finish. I showed you when I was looking at it in the morning, before I entered it. Then I showed you obviously whilst I was in it. I said if it bangs, I can pass verification, and it banged. So it banged, I don't know, a few minutes ago, a few hours ago. So obviously I passed verification now in one trade. Imagine that. So yeah, I'm basically back funded, innit? All I got to do is make up the days, because I didn't place no small lots or nothing. So this is the first day I trade, and obviously you got to do minimum 4 days on FTMO. So yeah, basically back funded. I'm just gonna do like micro lots tomorrow, and then Monday, Tuesday, then I'll be back. They'll obviously verify the results, whatever, and they should be hopefully bring me the account next week. So I'll be funded. But yeah, once you acquire the skills and you just keep losing, you only gonna learn from your mistakes, you know what I'm saying? So obviously I learned from my mistakes, patterned up, and then I just passed it. I literally did it. If you are watching this video, so from the beginning of this week, I passed the challenge on Monday. Obviously my account was already up in profit, and then the trade I hit on Monday passed, and then this trade I hit today, Thursday, passed me the verification as soon as I got the account. So I've literally only taken 2 trades. That trade for the 6R on Monday, this trade for about 2.8R on USDCAD today, which banged. So that's like 8R for the week so far that I've bagged still. So imagine if that was on the funded account though. But obviously we move, innit, we move. But yeah, man, just anyone that's watching this, if you, obviously you're struggling to pass funded challenges and verifications and that, you just have to keep grafting. I can't lie, man. There's no cheat code to this shit. You just gotta keep grafting that. Though my family around me and people around me, they'll tell you how long I've been grafting at this shit for. But yeah, but to be honest, it's not nothing really. It's just passing an account. You still gotta get paid off it and that. But it's literally just the skill that you need to acquire. And if you're not passing it and you're struggling to pass it, you just ain't got the skill yet, innit? You just gotta keep grafting, trust me. But yeah, as well as this, passing the funded challenges and verification, and I'm also trading my personal account side by side, innit? Cause that's the main thing. Funded accounts are good in that, but at the end of the day, it's not your own money, innit? So the best thing to do is have your own money, build up the pot, and just trade off that. You get me? So that's literally what I'm doing. And yeah, man, I might as well show you the platform. So here's the FTMO platform. You can see today I started today, 10th of April. You can see the date is the 10th of April today. So I traded it the same day, finished it. 100k account swing. See the profit there. 105. Obviously you got to hit 5%, so 105. And then proof again. Minimum trading days 1. You got to do 4. Go down, target, and then just literally do the trades. Obviously I took 2 positions on it as well. And then yeah, literally that's it still. But yeah, man, that's it for this vlog for this week. And then yeah, obviously catch up with me on the next vlogs, innit? But yeah, man.
I'm really not bragging my lean, I'm really a drink addict. I'm fresh till I'm dead, I don't want them taking my style, so give me a close gas.